Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to attach material for any 3D model in Unreal Engine 5.4. Now I'm going to show you all the step by step. I have an FBX with the material. If I import the FBX, then it is going to import as a skeletal mesh or static mesh. Now have a look. This is a static mesh, a 3D model without the material. I drag and drop it here. Now it doesn't have any material yet, but I already have the material texture. First, what you need to do is just drag and drop the material, the texture, the PNG or JPG picture into here. Then next, just drag and drop the material to the scene. Then it will create a material. This material, just rename it as, for example, heart material. Next, delete this. You can see the static mesh is here. Whenever you drag in, it is not attached. So you have to attach the material at here, double click it. Then the material you choose from here, hard material, it will automatically attach it. Now this 3D model already have the material. Close. Double click, make sure you save it and close. Now this 3D model, this static mesh or skeletal mesh, it already attached the material. So start from this moment, whenever you use this 3D model of the material texture, is already attached. This is the way to attach the material texture in Unreal Engine 5.4. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!